students. I know we're going to have some excellent fun today. We're going to be learning all about food today and what foods help our bodies. Which foods help us to run, to grow, to make our brains work? What kinds of food do you like to eat? We're going to have a little look at something called a food pyramid as well. Here we go. When we eat our food, we eat lots of different foods. We eat carbohydrates, which are breads and pastas, noodles and rice and cereals. Things that are often made out of wheat and yeast are carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us lots of energy, and we need them in the morning. That's why we have breakfast cereal or toast. Carbohydrates make us run and learn well because they give our bodies and brains the energy that they need. Fruits and vegetables are very important and very, very good for you. They're full of vitamins and minerals, and they help us to have healthy skin and eyes and hair. And without them, we get very poorly. So it's important that we eat all our fruits and vegetables. What's your favourite fruit? I like strawberries. One of the other foods we eat are protein, and in this section is also dairy. Dairy is things that comes from cows, like milk or cheese or yogurts, butter. Proteins help us build our muscles. So along with dairy, we also have meat and lentils and pulses and eggs and fish. All of these help us build our muscles, which make us strong. They make our arms strong for lifting and our legs strong for walking and running and climbing. They make our heart strong to keep the muscle of our heart pumping the blood around our body. So proteins are very important. One of the things that we probably really like, but we shouldn't be eating too much of, are fats and sugars. That's things like crisps and burgers and pizzas, sweets and chocolate and cakes. It's important to have a little bit of fats and sugars in your diet because we need them to keep us warm. Our bodies need to have some fat in them to insulate them from the cold, just like when you put a coat on, that keeps you warm, but we also need to have fat on our bodies to keep us warm too. But we need just the right amount of it when we eat. Otherwise, it can make us quite poorly and make our teeth poorly too. So let's have a look at a food pyramid. Can you see at the bottom, there's lots and lots of carbohydrates because we need to make sure we eat plenty of them every time we have a meal. Next, you can see that there are fruits and vegetables. We must eat lots of these every day, at least 5 portions, which means you need to have them every mealtime and for snacks too. Next on the triangle are proteins and dairy. We need to make sure we have one of these 2 or 3 times a day to keep us strong. And right at the top, where there's hardly any at all, are fats and sugars. We only need to have a little bit of fats and sugar every day. So maybe 1 packet of crisps, or a cake, or some biscuits, but not at every meal and not at every snack, just the top of the triangle. I wonder if you could do what Isaac's done and build your own food pyramid out of real food, just like here. Can you see we have the carbohydrates and then the vegetables and then the proteins and then the fats and sugars? Can you see? I wonder if you could also have a go at drawing around your body on a really big piece of paper. Maybe you could show me exactly which foods help which parts of your body. Which ones help your bones grow? That'll be calcium that you find in dairy products. Which ones keep your heart healthy? That would be proteins to build your muscle. What would give you energy to run? Carbohydrates, for example. What does your brain need? It does need plenty of water. Have a look at my picture and see if you can make one just the same. And then post your food pyramids and also your body pictures onto Class Dojo to show me how you understand about food and what it does for your body. I can't wait to see them. Super scientists, year one. See you soon. Bye-bye.